Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another drawing video. So in this video I'm going to draw a unicorn. So it's a horse with a tail on his head, so it's an unicorn. Okay, so let's get started with. So first of all we're going to draw his black foot, just like the black, using the black pencil color, just like this. Okay, and also here, if you want you can use another color. I'm using this black color because everyone know horse foot feet are black, so that's why I'm using black color. But some kind of horse that they have a white area on this round I'm drawing. Okay, and now for his ear. Okay, it's some kind of, I need a cutter, man. Where is my cutter? I can find it. Where it is? Okay, I think I forgot. Lost the cutter. Okay, let's just wait a second. Okay, first of all there's a little red color and blue color and the orange color. Okay, and now for his hair. So for the hair, this part of his hair will be red color. Just like this. It's an unicorn, so his hair will be the colorful hair, just like this. Okay, and now the orange part, would like to go this area like this. Okay, and again red color from here to here, just like this. Okay, and again blue color here. Let's say you have to repeatedly go on like this. Okay, it's some sort of green. I guess last one is with the green here. Okay, like this. Okay, and now it's an unicorn, so I have to color it some colorful things, just like this. Okay, be careful when you are drawing an unicorn. It's a sensitive part, and it every children and love this kind of drawing, I know. Okay, and now let's draw his body. Just like this. So here, okay, another leg. And now the only thing left is tail. So I'm going to use orange color for his tail, just like this. It's gonna look nice, you know, orange color tail with an unicorn. Okay, so now our unicorn is done. So I literally forget the grass area, that's like here and here, also here and here, just like. Okay, and now on this little touch of hair. So this is it. Thanks for. I literally forget this area. How, man? How can I forget this area? I don't know, but I forget. Okay, this is it. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.